Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Git tutorial, and in previous video we have seen like how we can create new branch, how we can list all the branch, and how we can check out to any other branch, and how we can create and switch to a new branch using a single command. Okay, so in this video we are going to see how we can check out to other branch and how we can merge two branches. Okay, then after that we are going to see how we can clone the repository. So let me go back to the terminal here, and let me close this terminal and let me open one new terminal here. So let me list out all the branches. Git branch, sorry. So as you can see here, we have dev, master, QA, stage and test branch. Okay, and suppose if I want to merge test branch into some other branch, then my source branch should be always test. Or if you want to merge master branch into dev branch, then your source branch should be master, as like if you want to merge from master into the dev. Okay, so I'm going to merge test. Okay, so let me check out to other branch. Sorry, git checkout and dev. Okay, I'm checking out to dev. So as you can see here, our branch, source branch got changed, right? We are on dev right now. So suppose I want to merge dev into QA, then what command we have to use? Git merge. Then we are already on dev, so we have to write QA here. As you can see here, already up to date. Okay, so it's saying whatever changes we have on dev, that's already available on QA, so we don't have to do anything here. So I will show you in the real time as well, after writing code, whenever I will be creating videos on GitHub. Okay, so let's go back to the document, and now we are going to see how we can clone any repository. Okay, so I am covering from scratch. So if you don't know, and if you want to know like from scratch, like what is Git and how to do a specific kind of task using Git, and how to know, and you can learn from scratch. So that's why I am like showing you how to clone repository and everything from scratch only, so that you can easily understand it. So let me go to the GitHub. Okay, so as you can see, I have different GitHub repository here, as you can see. And suppose I want to clone this repository. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to go here, and there are different cloning method available. So HTTPS, SSH and GitHub CLI. Okay, so we are going to use HTTPS method to clone it. Okay, and go here, and let me open one new terminal again. Okay, so let me check the current path. So we are under home, bpin, music and GitHub tutorial. So let me go back, cd dot dot, so pwd. Now let me check. So we are under this, okay, this directory. So let me run, sorry, git clone, and the whatever URL we just copy it, already exists. Okay, so it's already exists, pwd. So let me change my directory here, ls. Okay, cd dot dot pwd ls. So we have this much. So I am going under desktop directory, sorry, oh sorry, I missed it. Okay, now do ls, we can see, right? Now let me run git clone and the name. Okay, so our repository is getting cloned, as you can see, right? So I will show you. So let it get completed. So as you can see, 100% completed, right? 12 by 12, there is 12 files, so it's saying 12 by 12 completed. Okay, so let's go back to the desktop. Okay, and we can see Terraform tutorial here that we have just copied. Okay, and you can see whatever file we have in this repository, we got all the file here, right? Depends on meta argument, multi-line, multiple region, and output.tf, and we got all the things here, right? So this file is related to Terraform. Okay, I have already created some videos on Terraform from scratch, and if you want to know like how to you can check out those videos and you can learn Terraform as well if you are interested. Okay, so let's go back to the document, and we have seen how we can clone the repository. Git push origin branch name, so to push your local changes to a remote repository. Okay, so suppose I want to like open the terminal here. Okay, open the terminal, and suppose I want to like push anything to this branch. Okay, so I will write, let me comment something. So you can see provider.tf file we have. So I will show you how we can push it. Okay, so let me save first, then what we have to do, git init, okay, git add, git commit. It's always good practice to provide commit message, so that whenever any developer or anyone is working with this repository, they can easily understand what this code is and what this commit is actually going to do. Okay, so git commit -m, then the commit message, testing for push. Okay, and what we have to do now, we have to run final command, git push -u origin, that is we are on main branch. Okay, so origin, that is main. So let's hit enter here, and you can see here, right, we have successfully pushed whatever changes we have added our code here, and we have successfully pushed to this GitHub repository. So let's refresh it. So sorry, my network is gone. Let me change my network here. Let me connect it again, and let me refresh it. So you can see here the commit message, okay, and the commit ID, and it's saying 1 minute ago. Okay, so where we made those changes, provider.tf, right, and you can see those changes are our code, whatever code we have added, that is getting reflected here, writing for test, right? This line we have added here, right, writing for test. So this way how you can push your code from your local to GitHub. Okay, so let's go back to the document. Pulling from remote repository. Okay, to fetch changes from a remote repository and merge them into the local branch. So we have to use git pull origin and the branch name. So let me show you. Git pull. Suppose I want to create one new branch. Okay, git checkout -b dev. Okay, I have created one dev branch, and git, what we are going to do now. So what we have, git pull. Yeah, okay, so we are going to pull whatever changes we have on main branch, that should be always available, also available on dev branch, right? Git pull and origin, then the branch name, then the branch name dev. Okay, sorry, it will be only main. So we are pulling from main branch, right? So branch is up to date. As you can see, branch main fetch head and already up to date. So whatever changes we have on main branch, that also got fetched on dev branch. Okay, so let's go back to the document here. Sorry, this branch. Okay, let's refresh it. So we have not pushed any code to dev branch right now, so that's why the dev branch name is not reflecting here. Okay, so that branch, that whatever changes we have pulled from GitHub, that is only for local till now. Okay, so you can do changes, and you can, whenever you are pushing, then this will, like, dev branch will get created there. Okay, so in another video we are going to see how we can fork any repository, how we can clone the fork, and how we can make changes, and how we can create pull request. Okay, so I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.